How to get 120 FPS on PS5. First of all, you're going to want to go to the settings. So you want to go ahead and scroll on the top right hand corner where you see settings. Go ahead and click on there. Then you want to scroll down until you see this section where it says save data and game/app settings. Go onto there, then scroll down to game presets. Then go to the right until you see performance mode or resolution mode. Make sure performance mode is on. Go ahead and select that. Go back out of there and then go to the section where it says screen and video. Click on that. Then in the video output section, go to the right and then you should see at the bottom there a 120 Hertz output. You want it to be automatic. That means that it's turned on. You're able to see 120 Hertz on your device. If you do have the correct device, your TV does allow you, and you have the correct wires, etc. to be able to see it, you will see it. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.